Alright, Merry Christmas Eve! We're here at New Jubina, Christmas Eve. Let me serenade you with the Christmas songs. This again, Alex. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Merry Christmas to each and every one. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. May the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will wait together. If the fates allow, hang a shining stars upon the highest bough. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Very Merry Christmas. Chestnut roasted on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping on your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimo. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoes help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes on the glow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on its sleigh. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on its sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna sigh to say if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple prayer decades from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, a Merry Christmas to you. Wish I could be home for Christmas. To my family in the Philippines, enjoy Gaya. Merry Christmas. I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents by the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the light and bright. And all your Christmases be white. Merry Christmas. Sige, let me just serenade you. Advance Merry Christmas. Enjoy! Merry Christmas, everyone. Alright, here's another Christmas song to all of you. Last Christmas. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Won't spit and touch. I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Happy Christmas, I wrap it and I say, we don't know saying I love you one minute. Now I know what a fool I've been. But if you kiss me now, I know you fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. A crowded room, friends were tied up. I'm hiding from you, and you're so honest. God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Maybe I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face on a lover with a fire in his heart. I met undercover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, never felt a real love, you never fooled me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave Let me give you original Filipino music. Alright, here's one of the old-time favorites. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Pasko na, sinta ko, hanap kita, bakit magtatampo, nilisan ako, kung mawawala ka, sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko? Inulila mo, sayang sinta ang sinumaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo ba kalimutan ka na ang ating suyuan na kung mawawala ka sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko? Inulila mo. Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko? Inulila mo. Sayang sinta ang sinukaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo ba kalimutan ka na ang ating suyuan at gala? Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko? Inulila mo. Alright, let me give you my last and final song for this set. Oldest but still goodest. Originally by Jackson 5. People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just present from a store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who was everything would be so happy you would bring him love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. People you don't know, smiling not hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. It's that once a year when the world seems sick, and you'd like to find a way to show the things that words can say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? All the men on the street and a couple upstairs all need to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. What a world is love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Every little child in the plastic screen has room for your love and the joy you bring. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. What a world needs love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Every Tony, Harry, every Susie needs love every bit as much as you say. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. Alright, thank you very much and Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you can join us here at New Japina. Later on I'll be with Marvin and BST. See you again on my next set. Bye. Merry Christmas.